Got me a fish on. Trolling here at a Jordanelle, going for wiper. Got me a little fishy on here. Busted out the trolling pole, brand new. Hope y'all can see that. I hope the camera's working here. This is going to be the first fish I've caught trolling. He's fighting pretty good. Get the net going on here. Pretty nice one right there. Hopefully you can see that bad boy wiper. That's cool. That was cool. Holy crap. Kelly Snow Fishing Show at Jordanelle. Brand new trolling pole right there. That was my first wiper. He's in the boat. He's a pretty nice one. Okay, that's cool. I don't know what to do now. Sure did. He's in the net, in the boat.
Nice. On the shad or the worm?
On the worm.
Nice.
I'm gonna keep him. He's pretty nice. I like him. Some Buddy Sterling on the walkie-talkie here. We'll get some paracord going on. Get him dealt with. Check these out. I got these at Sportsman's this morning. Little P-line cutters on sale for like $3.99. We're gonna make us a stringer right here. We'll see how good these cut. Little review right now. Not terrible. Cut line really well. Cool. Let's get him dealt with here and get him over the board. I want to keep this guy. That was freaking fun. Oh wow, he ain't hooked very good either. Running some flashers or some pop gear. We'll have to get the hooks out of the old net. Got some spice, kind of like white bass on steroids. Hopefully you can see this. The camera ain't going off. Bam! Look at that, huh? It's a wiper. Striped bass and a white bass hybrid. That's cool. Get him on a stringer. We're gonna eat this bad boy just because it's my first one on the kayak. So we got some little assassin on the end of it. I'll show you here in a second. Tie him off to a handle just for a minute. Here's what I got him on. Get it out of the net here. Little assassin spinner there. I put a worm on the end of it. Some brass and silver pop gear. Flashers, whatever you want to call them. So I'm going to put another worm on here. I'm going to cast out. My line counter was at 99. This pole's still out, so we'll reel that in. We'll do that again. Pretty cool wiper on the Kelly Snow Fishing Show in the kayak. My buddy Sterling just got hooked up. We got the walkie-talkie between the two of us. That makes it really cool. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. It's about, I'm gonna say 5, maybe 5 o'clock at night. Whew, that was cool. What a rush. I'm gonna talk to my buddy, go see his fish now. There's the old wiper in the water. Cool. Alright, Kelly Snow Fishing Show. Thanks for watching. Sorry if the camera was all jacked up. I got a little busy. That was cool to film anyway. We'll do it again. Remember, more of this, less of this. Go fishing, it's cool. Thanks for watching. Signing off. We'll see you here in a little while, hopefully. Peace out, ladies and gentlemen.